Hi friends, I Dinesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Daily Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook lady finger veggie or bhindi ki sabji at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive my all latest video and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So now let's begin the process of making lady finger veggie at home. Let's begin. In this video, I will tell you how to cook lady finger or bhindi ki sabji at home. Now first step to prepare lady finger veggie or bhindi ki sabji is just wash the lady finger by using running water, and after washing just clean it by using a dry cloth. The next step, you need to cut your lady finger. So how you will cut? Just cut it in the same manner how we are cutting in this video, just by using a knife. Just cut it from the middle, then again from the middle, and just make it 4 pieces and just cut it from the middle. So in this manner you need to cut your lady finger. Just cut all the lady finger in the same manner like how we are cutting in this video. Just take lady finger, cut it one side, then from another side, and just by using a knife from the middle and just cut it into 4 pieces. So use the same step to cut your lady finger. So now just we have cut all the lady finger in the same manner in what I have taught you in this video. So let me show you the closer view after you cut all the lady finger. How does it look? So these are our lady finger. We have cut all the lady finger, and after cutting it will look like this. To fry bhindi ki sabji, we need these veggies ready, like green chili, we need potato, tomato and onion. Now the next you have to cut all these veggies into chopped pieces. I will show you the closer view. So these are the potatoes, just cut it into a slice. This is the green chili, just cut it into small pieces. These are the onions, just cut it into some big piece. And these are the tomatoes, just cut it into chopped piece. The next step, keep the wok or kadai onto the gas stove and add little bit of oil in it. We have just added this oil because we are going to fry our lady finger. You need to keep ready all these regular masalas, and once your oil get hot, first you need to add cumin seed into the oil, and once the cumin seed get crackle, the next you need to add green chili. Chop the green chili, and next you need to add onion. Chop the onion into the wok, and by using a turner just give it a mix. So once your onion get cooked, the next step is just add the chopped potato. So just add it in the same process how we are adding. And once you add the chopped potato, by using a turner just give it a mix. Now leave it for next 4 to 5 minutes till all the potato get cooked. Now it is time to add regular masala like coriander powder, next red chili powder, and finally turmeric powder, and salt by using a spoon. So we have added this regular masala, and by using a turner just give it a mix. So now it is time to add tomato in it. Just add the tomato and then again give it a mix. Just give it a proper mix so that it can mix with all the regular masalas which we have added into it. So once you mix it, just leave it for 3 to 4 minutes so that all the masala with potato and tomato can get cooked. And just stir it after 1 to 2 minutes and leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can see our potato has cooked completely. Now it is time to add lady finger in it. Now just add all the lady finger which you have cut. Just drop all the lady finger in it. Now just hold the wok or kadai by using a flask, and by using a turner just give it a proper mix. Just mix it all the ladyfinger with the masala which is already into the wok. Just mix it slowly, do not mix it too fast like how we are mixing in this video. Just use the same technique. Now once you have done with the mixing, just cover the wok by using a steel plate. Just cover it and leave it for next 5 to 10 minutes. So after 25 minutes it is time to check our ladyfinger. Just uncover the lid or a steel plate by using a flask and just take a turner. So you can look at the ladyfinger. Its color has got completely changed and it is cooked now. So this is just a final check. You can see no starch is there, and this is the correct way to cook ladyfinger at home. So perfectly it has cooked. Let me show you the closer view. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.